We are in our episode 6 where we focus just on one topic, which is the next gen protein. What is Topfloor? Well, Topfloor is where we handpick startups, sector-specific startups that present their innovation to industry fellows.
We have three technologies that enable us to impact two industries. The agri-food industry is an industry in which we are ready to go in and monetize with an extraction service with plant protein and fiber recovered from waste material.
I think one is just production and making sure that from a logistical standpoint, things flow very, seamlessly. But just making sure that the bars get produced on time. The wrappers are there 2 weeks before the bar. The boxes are there 2 weeks before the bars are produced. We can't change anything in the bars because if we do, then that triggers wrapper changes and box changes.
We want to continue the conversation, exploring the chat with Florence, yes or no, David?
I do have folks I'd like to introduce you to.
You want to continue the conversation with Griffin?
I do.
2 yeses. And on the Awesome Venture side, represented by me, Griffin, absolutely. I'm more than intrigued to understand the details and nuances. And Florence, I'd be more than happy to share with our analysts what you guys are working on. So 2 yeses on our side too.